Creating bubble braids is a fun and stylish way to do your hair. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you achieve this look. 1. Prepare your hair. Apply a styling cream or pomade to get your hair prepped and frizz-free. This will help hold the hairstyle in place. 2. Create a ponytail. Pull your hair up into a ponytail at your desired height. 3. Add hair ties. Place elastic hair ties a few inches apart down the length of your ponytail. The distance between the ties will determine the size of your bubbles. 4. Form the bubbles. Gently pull at the hair between each elastic to puff it out and create the bubble effect. 5. Finish with hairspray. Use a bit of hairspray to hold everything in place.